This biker was cruising along on his super bike, just enjoying the ride, when out of nowhere this guy in a super old model car rolls up and starts teasing him, calling his bike slow and challenges him to a race. The biker just laughs it off, thinking, there's no way this old car can keep up with me, even if I go easy on it. Feeling super confident, he agrees to the race without even thinking twice. The race begins, and before the biker knows it, the old car is gone, like completely disappeared in a flash. The biker slams the throttle, but no matter how fast he goes, the car is nowhere to be seen. He's stunned, trying to process what just happened. Finally, he spots the car pulled over up ahead and rushes over, curious as hell. When he pops the hood, he can't believe his eyes. Nestled inside this old model shell is the roaring engine of a Ferrari.